Alright, so first fun part of this is getting the wood delivered. Truck just showed up. It's a lot of wood. Gonna drop it off. I'm gonna try to put every piece in the garage today, and that's gonna be a workout. So the last time I built this dock, I was 15 years younger. Looking at all this lumber right now, the reality is setting in that this may be an ambitious project to try to do by myself. So I'm hoping maybe I can find a little bit of help. But right now I can move all this lumber into the garage for storage, and it looks daunting. So anyway, here we go. This is exhausting. If this is any sign of reality, rebuilding a big dock like this is definitely not a recommended do-it-yourself type project. This is a project that should use help, and I should have been aware of that, and getting this lumber just moved around is a big eye-opener. However, I'm going to keep going with this project and try to get it done. It just may take a long time. Whew. Okay, so the first step is to get the old wood off the dock, and I'm going to do this in sections. I'm going to take all the platform decking off first. In this case, I just have screws that hold these deck boards down. I'm going to back them up, and I'm just going to pop them all off one by one. I will do this section first, and then we'll probably go ahead and reframe, redeck, and I'll do the entire dock in sections. So we'll see how that goes, because here's the rest of it. It's gonna be a long project. I really gotta be careful walking on this deck because the decking's so bad. It's actually falling apart more and more the more I walk on it. So, there's a big roach here. That's nasty. Nasty. That's nasty. Can't leave him be, so gotta be extra careful. So now I've got all the top decking off this part of the dock, and what I want to do is rebuild here first and then work my way back, kind of demo and build as I go. So today the goal is to get as many deck boards on the platform section as we can, because the framing is complete. So we got most of the decking in today, left a little bit open there because we still got to tie in the framing to the walkway, and then go ahead and deck out the rest of this platform here, and then go ahead and reframe, redeck all the way back to the yard. So we got a lot left to do. It's been crazy tiptoeing on the framing so long, but now I actually have a nice platform. Pretty sweet. Now the next step is I'm gonna start ramping this dock up because it's gonna tie into the new wall I'm building. So in order to do all this, I gotta start setting some pilings. So I'm just gonna dig some holes with some post hole diggers, put the pilings in, secure them, and that should be good.